doing?
I'm trying to get in the Christmas spirit.
Oh.
I'm thinking about making a cocktail.
Oh, which one are you making?
A mistletoe kiss.
Look what I have.
Oh, I gotta make a cocktail.
Sorry.
We'll get back to that later. So
Okay.
we're gonna need a couple of things to start with. The first one is gonna be a shaker. We're gonna need some whiskey, so let's use bourbon. You want the maker's mark, don't you? It's a nice wheated bourbon, makes it a little bit sweet to go with that sour. So 2 ounces, 2 full ounces. And the next what you're going to do is 1 ounce of rosemary simple syrup. Do you want to do that? See if we can do that without getting it on the bar. There you go. Hunt!
Sorry.
Okay. Now, I'm going to do the next part because you have to see the line inside the shaker or the jigger. And we're going to use 1/2 ounce of lemon and lime juice.
A little bit of acid.
So a little bit of acid in there. And this is our fresh lemon juice, and we're squeezing it because fresh is best, right?
We are squeezing it.
And if it's not fresh, you might as well regift it. Now, because it's a sour, we got one more thing we're going to add in there. And I want to thank the girls because they really helped with doing this. And you're going to use an egg white. That's going to give a little bit of protein. It's going to make it silky. It's going to make it smooth. It's going to make it frothy. So that's going in there. And if you use your eggs at room temperature, that seems to work even better. Now we're going to give it a good shake, but it's going to be a dry shake. We're going to break down that egg. We're going to emulsify it. Do you want to shake?
Yeah, you shake it.
Okay. The dry shakes can be a little bit messy. So we're going to dry shake that. You can see it gets a little bit frothy. Now we're going to add some ice. And now we're going to give it a nice wet shake. Give it a good smack on. Look at that. Nice and frothy. Except you know what you forgot to put in there?
The cherry juice.
You got to put some cherry juice in there.
You forgot. I didn't forget.
Let's put a little bit of cherry juice in there. We're going to use a teaspoon of cherry juice. Put that back on there. We're just going to give it a quick shake. Now, if you reach behind the bar, and you're going to find a coupe glass. We've had some crushed ice sitting in it, so it chills it down. We're going to put that in there. We're now going to grab my strainer.
Grab your what?
We're going to grab the strainer.
Okay.
Top didn't want to come off.
That's what she said.
Where am I pouring?
Don't go there.
We're going to double strain. We've got some egg in there. We've got some rosemary syrup in there. So you might have some sprigs in there. So we're going to use a sprig of rosemary. Goes on there. We're going to use 3 cherries in there just to make it pretty. And that is our mistletoe kiss.
Merry Christmas, everyone.